Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Gamebird Gourmet. There are a lot of things to love about quail hunting, especially if you live in an area of the country where it's easy to bag your limit. However, once plucked and cleaned, they really don't give you much meat. So what's a good way to make a good meal out of them? Well, stuffing them with sausage is a good way to use more of the meat and to make these small birds into a heartier meal. We're going to make the sausage out of some of the quail and then stuff that back into the quail. You could use pork or even beef just as easily though. So you're going to debone 4 of the quail, including the legs, and put that meat with 1 tablespoon of the buttery garlic wing shake in a food processor, and then grind and chop that up until it's broken down and all of the seasonings mixed in. You're going to want to loosen the skin around the breast of the quail by gently getting your finger between the breast and the skin. Then rub some softened butter onto the breast meat and then sprinkle some of the buttery garlic wing shake onto that exposed meat. Then move it around with your finger until the whole thing is coated. Rub the outside of the skin on both the breasts and the legs with butter, and then sprinkle on even more of the wing shake. Put enough canola oil to cover the bottom of a cast iron skillet, and then heat that on medium heat on a stovetop. Add the quail sausage for about 2 minutes to pre-cook it just slightly, and then stuff that into the cavity of the other quail. Tie the quail by looping the string around the wings and then below the breast. Cross the strings and go underneath the thighs and then tie the ankles together. In the still heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter right before you add the quail, and then the whole cloves of garlic right up next to the bird. Make sure you brown all sides thoroughly and occasionally pour small amounts of cooking wine over the birds. Now move your cast iron skillet to an oven that's been preheated to 500 degrees and cook until the breasts and stuffing is 165 degrees. Should take about 12 to 15 minutes. Plate it with wild rice and lemon slices and enjoy. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything about the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.